Kuqalile ukudilizwa kwetanki elihlala izilwanyana zamanzi eBayworld. Oludilizo luza emva kokubonwa ukuba izakhiwo zale ndawo zidala nanjengoko zakhiwa ngonyaka ka-1856 kwaye ziyasisonakala, nto leyo eza kubeka ubomi bezilwanyana emngciphekweni. Umlawuli oyintloko eBayworld Luvuyo Mini uthi le nkqubo iqhuba ngoncedo lwe-MBDA kunye nomasipala iNelson Mandela Bay. Umini uvakalise ukuba nemincili iqalile le nkqubo emva kweminyaka 10 bezama ukufumana uncedo. Ukwathe injongo zale nkqubo kukuveza amathuba omsebenzi.
Sisi, mandithi kule ndawo sifikelele kuyo kuluvuyo kakhulu ngoba le process sinayo almost 10 years. We've been traversing the country, the province, trying to solicit finances for the development of Bayworld. Into esivuyisayo into yoba ngaba this is one of the mega projects, the province, and our government, it's in full support of the development at a provincial level, at a regional level. There are a lot of land parcels from the previously put Erasmus Stadium that was demolished. That's where the project will start until where we are. There's going to be a lot of development, which will also assist a high unemployment rate of the region, also of the province. Because when once the project is completed, there will be good spin-offs economically to ukuqesha abantu bakuthi.
Ukanti izilwanyana ezihlala kule tanki ziselugcinweni olukhuselekileyo yaye impilo yazo inikwa ingqwalasela rhoqo.
We've got a highly qualified staff up. We've got doctors. As curators, most of them are doctors. They know, they are trained on how to treat animals, how to look after animals. Every Wednesday of the week, there are vets that are coming here to check and take blood samples of our animals in checking their health status. If any animal they pick up that has got a problem, it's taken away to a veterinarian so that it can be treated. That's how we're taking care of our animals. That's how serious we are.
Usodolophu wesixeko iNelson Mandela Bay uthe ezinye injongo zokuphucula Eliziko kukurhweba umdla wabantwana kwakunye nabakhenkethi. Ukwathe esi sisiqinisekiso sokuba kuyasetyenzwa kulo masipala.
It's quite an auspicious occasion. It shows that development is happening in the metro. We're talking money to the value of 46 million rand, the initial investment in terms of this process, but it's going to go up to approximately 3 billion rand, which will include the building of the ICC, which is just up the road from here. So yes, it's quite auspicious for us as a city, especially myself as executive mayor, to come here to witness it and to see that the city is moving forward, and it's going to be wonderful in terms of for the kids, our school kids. We've just been told that over 100,000 kids pass through the gates on an annual basis. I was one of those kids who came here when I was still at primary school. So yes, it's something huge for this metro.
Kulindeleke lo msebenzi wokuhlaziya Eliziko lezilwanyana uthathe inyanga ezintathu kuphela. Kwindaba ze MPK TV, ndinguJesica Bobo, ndiseGqeberha.